Hello friends, my name is D. Sandvi. And we have always assumed that if we go to any planet in the universe, then due to that planet's high gravity, high temperature, high pressure, and bad atmosphere, we will be vanished in no time and wouldn't be able to survive there. But what if I say that in our universe there are planets whose involvement, instead of vanishing you, it will make your health so good that you will feel maybe you have gotten any superpowers? And I'm not even kidding. Recently, scientists have found out many superhabitable planets. In these planets, life can evolve rapidly and can live a long life. So, which are these planets? Let us find out. So, guys, in the entire known universe, Earth is the only planet where simple life form to complex life forms, all the living organisms who are capable of extreme involvement have been evolving here. So, looking at all this, it is obvious that we will think Earth is a unique planet. But researchers say that there can be many planets who are better than Earth. But since we live on Earth, so instead of looking for better planets, we just look for Earth's mirror image, which is totally wrong. So, in 5th October 2020, Washington State's Universe and Technical University of Berlin's Drake Makuj, who is an astrologer, started a mission. Through this mission, he targeted those planets who were much better than Earth, and he got total 24 planets, 24 superhabitable planets. So basically, his team made a different observation and made a list of criterias. So if a planet was not fitting into them, it was a not super habitable planet. So this was a simple way of filtering out the planets. Now you tell me what is needed for survival. Of course, suitable temperature, good atmosphere, water and land surface area, right? Keeping this in mind, they made the criteria, from which the first criteria is age of host star. So, when exoplanets are discovered, scientists' main focus is on the yellow dwarf stars. But Scooch Makuch's team targeted the orange dwarf stars, which are cooler, dimmer, and less massive. And the reason behind them is their lifespan. Because all the yellow dwarf stars only live till 10 billion years old, but the orange dwarf stars live till 20 to 50 billion years old. If life involves here, then they will live a better long life than on Earth. But that in no way means that stars should always be older. Because older planets' thermal energy gets cooler along the time and loses the magnetic field. Anyways, the second criteria is water. After finding a proper system, we have to see the distance between the host star and its planet, so that it will indicate whether it is in the habitable zone or not, and we can know how much percentage of water is there on that planet. The third criteria is size and mass of the planet. And if you talk about our Earthians, then we don't have a universal language. That's why we are facing a language barrier. So, if we will learn many languages, then it will also help with our career. And it also sharps our brain. Well, anyways, the third criteria was size and the mass of the planets. The size of the planet can influence the life on that Earth. Well, the bigger the mass, the bigger habitable area on that planet. Not just that, the more the mass is, the more there will be gravity. The more the gravity, the more atmosphere will be thick and stable. Well, there's a condition that planet can be 2 or 3 times bigger than our Earth, so that the interior will be hot for a long time, and it also helps the core, which will help to activate the protective magnetic field. Well, last criteria but not the least, the temperature. And of course, if the temperature will be more, then of course the pressure will be more. And if the pressure will be more, it is like putting our hand in the hot oil. So, it should be only 2 or 3 degrees more or less than our Earth. Well, that is also a reason behind this. In the tropical region of the earth, microorganisms grow in these extreme temperatures. But the 24 super habitable planets, from those two were very super habitable. These two planets are perfect, just perfect, and have all the needs we need. First is KOI 5715.01. Second one is KOI 5554.01.